Ska, awuqagele.
Angifuni ukubhedelwa mina.
Ngizoba yinkosi yase-Pride Rock.
Kuhleke.
Uba usengikhombise wonke umbuso, kanti ngizokubusa wonke nje. Ha ha ha.
Yebo. Manje ungixolele ngoba kujabulela lokho iqolo lami libhlungu yazike.
Malume Ska, mina bengiyinkosi, konje wena uzoba yini?
Malume wenkaba.
Uyangisabisa.
Wena uqondi nje kahle. Uyisho ukukhombisa wonke umbuso kanjalo.
Wonke impela.
Akakukhombisanga ungaleko umncele ongasenyakatho uyabona he?
Lutho. Uthe ngingashoni ngakhona.
Wayena ubengakhohlisi ave kuyingozi kuyamabhubesana nesibindi kuphela.
Nami nginesibindi. Wena uthini?
Wena ukhohlwe Simba ngeke phela ngikutshele ke.
Kungani?
Simba nami ngifuna ube umshane ngiyomthanda kakhulu.
Oh, wow. So this is heaven. Hey, thanks for letting us get in here, God. Like, I ain't believing you at first, but then when Jesus walked on water and then he healed that blind lady, I was like, okay, you real.
Yeah, no problem. No, wait, he did what?
He touched that blind lady and her.
Jesus, get in here.
Yes, Dad.
What I sent you on earth to do?
To save people.
I ain't sent you down there to be walking on water and touching blind people. All that extra stuff. Did you at least give them water to drink?
Yeah, he gave us water. Then he like turned it in. Shut up.
Hey, my friend. Hello. Never problem. What is problem? Yeah, when I'm calling, it's not calling. When I touch screen is not working. Tamir! Shadaka. Shangadaka, iPhone Pape. You know, screen fucked up. Fucked up screen. Hey, screen. Fucked up.
Your mom tells me that you got into a fight at school, right?
Yes sir, I did.
That's what I sent you to school for?
Did you win?
Yeah, I fucked him up. Real good. Oh, you should have seen him. Man. So how did it go? So I'm chilling in the hallway, right?
Yeah.
I'm with my friends. He pull up on me. Yo, I heard you been talking to my girl.
Yeah.